Hi guys, welcome to Taking Risks in the Kitchen, but I'm taking the risks because I'm going to be creating the whole cake. And today we are going to make, roll on the drum roll, pineapple upside down cake. Yes, you heard right, pineapple upside down cake. And you guys may be thinking, oh, it's so simple, we just need to make pineapple cake, but just flip it upside down. No. It is completely different. So, if you want to learn how you really make it, just stay tuned in for the whole video. And if you're already one of our subscribers, you already know what to do. Just hit that good like button. And if you are one of our subscribers, why not? It only takes a few seconds. If it's not rocket science, just subscribe down here, hit the like button, and ring the notification. Stay tuned in for all of our videos. As always, the ingredients are down here in the box. And I know you guys are already so tired of me chatting about its intro, so let's go to the video. Come with me. The first ingredient on our list is 200 grams of brown sugar. See? Then put 50 grams of melted butter with the sugar. By the way, it's brown soft sugar. Then we mix it with the whisker. Now we put this onto the side. Then we get our baking tray. We're going to put this buttery sugar into the baking tray. Dump it all in. You may want to use a spatula to get everything out. So it just slipped right out. So now we use the spatula to just put it everywhere. Now we are going to start. To use 340 grams of pineapples. First, half cut pineapples around the edges, like so, all the way around. Space. Now we use whole pineapple to put around here. Now you can put some extra pineapple to cover up the hole here. And now we're going to put some raspberries on in the holes. But you can do cherries and raspberries. And since we don't have cherries, we're just gonna use raspberries. But if you want to use cherries, go ahead, use cherries. Okay, so now we are going to move on to the cake. And the first thing is 350 grams of flour. You need to dump it all in, just like that. Now we are going to add 100 grams of butter. Put it in. Then we add 100 grams of sugar. Then we mix it with the whisk. Now people, we are going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Just put it in, everything in the spoon. In, just like that. Put this aside. Then mix it with the whisk. Add a little. Now we are going to add 2 eggs into the dough so far. Pop the yolk. Then, now we just mix everything along with the whisk. Now, we are going to add 200 ml of milk. Then mix it very well. Now we add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Then after that, we are going to put it inside. Then after that, mix it a little bit. Mix it a little bit more. Before we put 50 ml of pineapple juice. Okay guys, good thing that we've been there so far. So now we're going to put the dough into the baking tray. Put that aside. With the pineapples. Then just okay people, now that we are done, we are going to, and now we preheated the oven for 180 degrees 10 minutes and about 35 to 45 minutes baking. Okay guys, it's a good thing you stayed up until the end. Now the cake is beautiful. So now in a bit we are going to do some tasting.
Hi guys, thanks for staying to the end. And hi guys, thanks for staying to the end. And I'm the lucky one who's gonna try the cake because I didn't have it to make it. She was the one who made it. Thanks Juliet for making the cake and show us how easy it is to make it. Shall we try it? Look at this. Look at how delicious it looks.
It's fluffy.
It's fluffy and glossy and it's amazing. I think
golden now, on the outside.
Golden on the outside, and I think it's time to try. Shall we try it?
Yes.
Let's get a nice bit and we're gonna try it. Look at that. Okay? Just delicious.
And Jeff.
Yes?
Stop talking with your mouth full.
Once again, oh my goodness, I really need to stop it.
Why do I need to keep reminding you?
I really need to stop it. Guys, the pineapple is really melting down with the brown sugar. It's just delicious. If you like the recipe, leave in the comment below. And don't forget to press the like button and follow us for the next videos. I think now it's time for us to go and finish our cake. What do you think, Juliet? Yes? Let's go. Bye!